How to gain YouTube subscribers quickly for new channels. Welcome to today's episode of YouTube Success Secrets. In this episode, we will be discussing effective strategies to gain YouTube subscribers quickly for new channels. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring YouTuber, these tips will help you kickstart your channel's growth. So, let's dive right in. Define your channel's niche and target audience. The first step to gaining YouTube subscribers quickly is to define your channel's niche and target audience. Determine what type of content you want to create and who your ideal viewers are. This will help you tailor your content to their interests and needs, increasing the chances of attracting subscribers who are genuinely interested in your channel. Create high-quality and engaging content. Now that you know your niche and target audience, it's time to focus on creating high-quality and engaging content. Invest in good equipment, such as a decent camera and microphone, to ensure your videos have a professional look and sound. Additionally, pay attention to video editing, graphics, and overall presentation to make your content visually appealing. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. To gain visibility on YouTube, it's crucial to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Use relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. Craft compelling titles that grab attention and accurately describe your video's content. In the description, provide a brief summary of the video, include relevant links, and use tags that are relevant to your content. Consistency is key. Consistency plays a vital role in gaining YouTube subscribers quickly. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Whether it's uploading videos weekly or bi-weekly, consistency helps build trust with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Remember, quality content on a consistent basis is the key to success. Promote your channel on social media. Utilize the power of social media to promote your YouTube channel. Create accounts on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and share teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, or snippets of your videos to generate interest. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and collaborate with other YouTubers to expand your reach. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal subscriber base. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to subscribe and share your videos. Host live Q&A sessions, create polls, and interact with your subscribers through community posts. Building a strong connection with your audience will help you gain more subscribers. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can be a game changer for gaining subscribers quickly. Reach out to creators with a similar audience and propose collaboration ideas. This cross-promotion exposes your channel to a new audience, increasing your chances of gaining subscribers who are interested in your content. And there you have it. By defining your niche, creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos, being consistent, promoting on social media, engaging with your audience, and collaborating with other YouTubers, you'll be well on your way to gaining YouTube subscribers quickly for your new channel. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and effort, so stay dedicated and keep creating amazing content. Good luck on your YouTube journey. Make sure to subscribe and drop a like for more content like this. Thanks for watching.